The future depends on what you do today. Yes, it's Monday. Remember, quotes serve as reminders that every day counts and helps you maintain a positive mindset and stay productive. So let's get into today's quote. So, today's effective word is now. Use the word. It's powerful. Say it again and make sure you write it down. Get going and remember, be confident. So, today's tip is for now that you have this tip. Go. Brush up on the skill today. The best you is just around the corner, but you have to work on yourself daily. Bonus resource. If you want to boost your resume with these skills, check out our One Solutions Resume Rewrite Kit. It is a modest price. It comes with over 100 core competencies and skill examples you can add today. AI-driven questions to prepare you for the job interview, links to skills and training. Yes, brush up those skills before the job interview. One Solutions Resume Rewrite Kit fits the need of rapid changes in the job industry. So get prepared. Just visit our stand store linked below. A criminal record is not just a piece of paper. It is a wall between you and a higher paying living wage, between you and a safe home for your family, between you and the dignity of coaching your kids' football team, or even volunteering at their school. Face it, a criminal record, it is a wall between you and keeping your American dream alive. But walls can be torn down. The first step starts with you. Don't wait while opportunities pass you by. Legal professionals can evaluate your record right now, but you need to act. Get the tools to fight back. Let's get your court paperwork decoded. Get step-by-step filing guides, structured letter to send the judge, and most important, learn how to protect your future. You deserve more than hearing no on job applications. You deserve a chance to provide, to rebuild, and to belong. Stop being scared. This book is your weapon. Arm yourself. Expunge your record. Order now. So, before we jump in, make sure you like, share, follow, and subscribe to this channel and the other videos to keep me motivated. Also, drop a comment below to let us know what you want to see and how we can help you. I want to take a moment to speak directly to you. In this economy, I know you're looking for a job, and I get it. Not everyone has access to professional job services or resume critiques, but you still need support, and that's exactly what makes us different. See that email floating above my head? Write it down. Seriously, write it down. For every job video we post, One Solutions will rewrite one person's resume for free and provide resources to help you land that job faster. So send your resume to the email address above, then drop a comment below saying sent. And while you're at it, leave an encouraging word for someone else who might need it. If you're chosen, we'll reach out to you directly. Remember, every time you see a One Solutions job video, support us, because we're here to support you. All right, now let's jump into today's job video. One of our newest products, the Job Journal follow-up sheets. The link is below. It's a great way to keep track of the jobs you've applied for and your passwords to each site on your job search journey. Stop letting employers pay you pennies on the dollar. That's exactly why I'm here, to give you the tips and tricks you need to land your dream job. Final thoughts. Every word on your resume should say, I know what I'm doing, and I'm the perfect fit for this job. I want you to write your resume like it's a book about yourself, the story of your skills, your passion, your value. When I built my business, I used my own resume templates, and every single job I applied for called me back because I was specific and dynamic. You belong in the position you want. Be confident, and make sure your resume proves it if you want my resume templates and the list of strong, action-oriented words to use instead. Check the links below. They're editable, plug and play, and designed to get you noticed. Remember, you deserve a better job, you deserve a better quality of life, you deserve six-figure salaries, you deserve a nice house and a nice car, and most important, you deserve the ability to provide for your family. You can do this. I believe in you. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for more tips and encouragement. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.